Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Paolo Avellino sobrang maalaga kay Kim Chiu at laging magkadikit talaga. Dumating na nga ang Kim Pao sa LA, kung saan ay makikita ang pagdating ng dalawa at nagkaroon pa sila ng interview. Makikita naman ang isang video kung saan ay nakikita ni Paolo na nahihirapan si Kimi sa pagdala ng kanyang mga gamit, kung saan ay kinuha ni Paolo ang luggage ni Kimi at nagpalit nga sila.
Welcome back to LA, guys.
Thank you.
Kamusta?
We're good. The flight was actually short.
Maiksi naman. Natulog pag-gising namin. Dito na pala kami sa LA.
And now you're back. Kamusta ang, how are you feeling about the activities that you're gonna do this week with the fans and the media?
We're very excited because it's also our first time to attend MIFF. And at the same time,
May fan meet. And everything else. And then,
maraming activities
dami activities.
also for the movie.
Yes. All for the movie. All for my love will make you disappear. Showing in LA theaters too.
We're finally here in LA. And you and International Film Festival watch some of the films here. We're gonna join some activities in the next coming days.
Thank you. Salamat. See you guys. You're welcome.
Thank you, Wes.